guys, I'm back in Sant'Agata Bolognese because I would really love to see some more Revueltos and yeah, maybe some nicely spec'd Tecnicas and STOs. Oh shit, there is a Sterrato here. Wait a second, was that the hybrid Urus? Yes, yes it is. And if I remember correctly, this is a very old prototype. I first spotted the hybrid Urus at least 1.5 years ago. So it's pretty interesting to see that this one is still testing on the road. Ho ho! Oh, in the meantime, I think I have a new friend. Hi there. Oh wow, that was a beautiful spec. Check out the livery, guys. Yes, I really like the optional livery on the Huracan Technica. Oh, it's the Sterratos from before. What do you think about this Sterratos, guys? I find it very interesting, but also, yeah, pretty funny. Oh, guys, also, as you may have noticed, I have now a brand new camera. It's an Insta360 X3 and it's pure magic, as you can see. Oh, also Technica. So as I was saying, I have now 1, 2 and 3 cameras. No, unfortunately I'm not sponsored by Insta360. As you may already know, I have no sponsors at all. Yeah, it's pretty sad. But hey, at least I'm trying, right? That was another very interesting color. You know, I really love bold specs, right? Oh yeah, first Revuelto of the day, check. Oh, I remember this one. Tecnica. Nah, this time I'm going with the Diablo 6.0 SE. Oh, yes. Now that was a really nice combo. Talking about bold colors, right? Nice. Well guys, another full day of car spotting in Sant'Agata is gone. In these 5 hours we didn't get to see many cars unfortunately, but at least I spotted a camouflaged Revuelto, a couple interesting Technicas, some STOs, and oh, I almost forgot about the Sterratos, those were pretty cool. And of course the Diablo 6.0 SE, the 400 GT, and a lot of Urus, as always. Now, that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will try to spot some more interesting cars next time and see you in the next video.